The typical WeberHaus modular smart home features a maintenance-free network of up to 200 professionally installed battery and wireless switches, sensors and controllers, enabling user-friendly control of lighting systems, shading systems, heating, ventilation and cooling, air quality monitoring, security systems and safety systems. Wireless technology typically saves 30% in terms of installation costs and time. Minimal mains power cabling in floor and ceiling allows for total flexibility in terms of room planning, and highly reliable technology brings enhanced comfort, higher levels of safety and security with optimized energy consumption. All smart home systems can be operated by a smartphone, tablet or computer, with remote monitoring and control available via mobile telecommunications. Ambient lighting can be tailored to suit personal preference through programmable mood modes governing lights and shading elements. All lights can operate automatically on a timer and be switched on or off via a master switch or by remote control. And at night, outdoor lights can be turned on and shutters lowered automatically. For security and safety, alarms can be triggered and warnings sent via smartphone on detection of an intruder, smoke, fire, CO2 or water leaks. Indoor climate, such as temperature and humidity, can take account of current and forecast weather conditions. And smart windows and door handles can report open or closed status to the HVAC control system, saving heating and air conditioning energy.